Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the tool colors in the Trace application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the settings button and at the project default settings section, search for the tool color button. And as you can see, there are three options that you can choose from. So you can set it to dark, medium and light. So just click on the one that you prefer the most, and it is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.